So welcome to the live Forex market analysis daily trading report, where we look at the markets before the price moves. There's no Monday morning quarterbacking here in this portion of the program. Since this program can result in financial gain as well as financial loss, please take a moment and pause the video at each of our risk disclaimers. Now let's take a look at the live market. Let's take a look at our live trade setup on the Euro US dollar before price moves. So nothing new again on the daily chart, still in a strong downtrend. Midterm chart, still in a strong downtrend. And if you remember in our session yesterday, our live trade, we said either a break at the low of these lows here, or maybe some consolidation and a pullback would give us a nice trend line for a possible entry. And we may be in a trade from a break of this low here. It's just a very slight penetration, but maybe not. It depends on our brokers and the entries that we individually use. So the first thing we're going to do is for this live trade, is we're going to clean up these lines a little bit. We keep these lines on here so that you can follow and see the consistency of the trades that we're looking for and doing. You can very easily go back in time and review those videos in just a few minutes and see that we haven't changed any lines and learn exactly what we're looking at and how to trade. Let's look at exactly what we should do for this upcoming session on the Euro US dollar. We're going to draw a trend line on these lows. Now, many times we'll draw a trend line very tight like this, especially we're in a downtrend, but we're in a choppy market. And we want to try and make sure that when we do get an entry, it's just not an entry that's popped in real quick and no real direction. And as you see this trend line here, it's pretty steep moving up. What I like to do is actually just move it off just a bit like that. And that way a break of this trend line can give us a nice clear trade entry. Now we get emails and questions from time to time. Why not just put our stop right above here? Well, the indication for why we shouldn't just put our stop right here, right on the other side of these highs, is because of the extreme consolidation and choppiness of the market that we see, especially here. So a break of this would be for our trade entry. As for a sell, our stop going up above this most recent high right here, and again targeting these lower lows from the Brexit, maybe even a penetration of that. So we're only going to be looking for a sell again based on the strong downtrend that we've seen in the Euro US dollar. There is some potential for an upcoming buy trade. We're going to keep our eye out for that, and we'll train you how to use that and watch for that in the future sessions should it fully present itself. So once again, we're looking for a sell on a break of this trend line, profiting lower lows, the Brexit lows, and our stops above this most recent high. Thanks for taking a few minutes to join me for this live trading session on the Euro US dollar before price action moves. My name is Seth Gregory.